What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Jay, back in 4K, and we about to go and smoke this cart. We're gonna be smoking on some Pineapple Express.
Smoke weed every day.
With the squad. You said you got lost at a nature trail?
Bruh. It was like one of them big ones. I forgot where the hell it was.
Like, I'm trying to go to like a lot of nature preserves, bro. Like,
Wow. Relaxing.
cause there's some that are like big. You feel me? Like, there's a lot like around here. They got lizards here. Please help protect this lizard. Alright, so if y'all see this lizard, make sure to protect it.
Do you honestly think you're fucking funny?
Hopefully we don't see no snakes. And what kind of snake is that?
It says
I don't think it says it.
right there.
Oh, it's an indigo snake. Whew. Hey, that shit come around me, bro. I'm stomping it with my Timbs.
Bruh.
Alright, so we have our Bigfoot expert here. And he's gonna guide us off the trail. But yeah, got cactuses and shit. Somebody's FaceTiming you.
It's a scam call.
Don't accept it.
Whoa.
Good.
Oh wait, this lean.
Oh, that's Lean?
Yeah, it's lean.
Yo, Lean.
Told you it's a new number, you fucking idiots. Both of you are fucking brain dead. Robert, go look at the last message I sent you and stop the fuck around. Hey, anyways, where you niggas at?
We're at a fucking nature preserve. We was gonna ask if you wanted to slide, but we didn't think you'd want to.
Fuck you.
Fuck you. That's crazy.
Hey, you straight?
Bro, Lean, where the fuck you at?
G-Shit, where you
I'm
at?
at Secret. I'm at Secrets right now. Not that far, to be honest.
Off Hyperluxo.
I know.
Oh,
Anyways,
okay.
I said, who you with?
Daniel and this is Jordan's friends.
Too deep. Too deep.
Too deep.
Yeah, I was looking for this.
But we need to be too deep. We're
bitch.
but we're in the wilderness right now.
Lean's scared, bro. He don't want to come out here. He don't want to fight no monsters.
Lean, Lean, what you are saying is you are a bitch.
I mean, I could get dropped off, but I'm straight. You know what I'm saying?
Oh.
That's something I feel like doing right now.
Found the lake. I never seen this here. I never stumbled onto this lake, and I've been here a couple of times. I just never went off trail.
from that.
Yo, why does this remind me of Red Dead Redemption?
I don't know.
You wanna go fall out there?
I don't play that shit.
Bro, I'm surprised I haven't seen any alligators. Actually, now that I said that, oh damn, I'm about to jinx it. Alright, so we're gonna smoke this because I think it's about to get like kind of dark, kinda. So we're just gonna smoke this.
Smoke weed every day.
Let's do this. Alright, so we're gonna open this up. Alright, so this is like a Delta 10 and Delta 8 cart by Binoid. And if y'all want, go to binoidcbd.com, use my promo code JAYMCMB10 for a discount at checkout on your first purchase. So, you know, do that. And let's open this up. I don't condone littering, so I'm gonna keep that in my book bag. Is it focusing?
Yeah, good.
It's good? So that's what it looks like.
That shit look cool.
It looks hella clear, but it's hella gas. Well, I hope, but let me just get the bat. And we're just gonna like do this, do that.
I do condone
I
littering.
thought you can go.
Hey, that's biodegradable. Alright, bet. So we're gonna rip this real quick and see if I like it, you know, if it tastes good, if it gets me high, and we're gonna pass it around. So cheers. I hope y'all having a good day, you feel me? Enjoy life, go out on a nature walk, you know, do something, you feel me? Don't just stay inside and watch Netflix, you know, don't do that. It's bad for your health. You gotta get some vitamin D.
Bruh.
So that was a big cloud, actually. Big clouds means big coughs.
That one hit late as fuck.
Bruh.
I'm feeling kind of bugged, like low key. That kind of hit me like that, like I feel it. So I feel good, and we're just gonna like walk around the rest of this trail, like around the lake. Where is our friend? Yo, this man. Hey, has this man not seen what happens in horror movies? What happens to like the white people?
Bruh.
I don't got nothing wrong against white people. Yeah, so you know, just to be clear, it's all jokes, comedy. Yo, Robert. Yo, we lost our tour guide. Oh, there he is. Orange. Yo, we found a wild mushroom. I bet you won't eat that.
Hell no.
I bet you won't eat that. $10.
Bruh.
$10?
Yeah.
$5.
Huh? You said $5?
Bruh.
He's like, that ain't worth the medical bill.
Yeah, that medical bill. That thing's gonna be 10K.
What happened? You eat it?
Bro, if I see a snake, like crawl up on me, bro, I'm running away like a little bitch.
You might as well do like new channels.
All right,
like
so
that.
we're taking a smoke break because we did a lot of walking. So, smoke break. You want to hit this, bro?
Yeah.
Yeah, hit that. Smoke break time. I hope y'all going out, getting sun, which it's about to get dark, but
Moonlight.
it feels nice. We'll probably see the moon. Actually, no, we're not seeing the moon. Hell no, I'm dipping. Look at this man. What is he doing? Bro, what if he gets like abducted by like aliens?
Bigfoot just.
Bro,
But what if he just gets snatched by Bigfoot?
yeah.
I'm out.
Fuck out of you.
Step on some shit and
I
you
ain't
just
gonna say
woke
no.
up like a fucking ancient prehistoric.
Robert, you my dog, but I'm gonna have to let you go on this one.
Bruh.
Alright, so we're like looking at the sunset. Well, I think we kind of missed out, but it's all good.